Python remains at the forefront of data analysis in 2025, a language that effortlessly bridges AI innovation and real-world applications. With new libraries emerging and older ones evolving, mastering the right tools has never been more essential. Let's dive into the top 5 Python libraries, shaping the future of data-driven decision-making. First on the list is Pandas, trusted by professionals for over a decade, and now more versatile than ever. New AI-powered features in 2025 simplify data cleaning and manipulation, saving analysts countless hours. Whether working with complex datasets or crafting streamlined reports, Pandas continues to be an indispensable ally. NumPy, the backbone of numerical computation, anchors data analysis workflows in 2025. Its high-speed array operations and adaptable AI integration make it indispensable for complex calculations. Paired with quantum-inspired processors, it's optimizing tasks like matrix transformations at unprecedented speeds. Another game-changer is Matplotlib, elevating how we visually explore data. With new AI-based visualization styles, it transforms static plots into adaptive, real-time dashboards. Analysts can now identify anomalies and trends faster, empowering decisions with clarity and precision. Seaborn, Matplotlib's artistic sibling, takes visual storytelling to the next level. Its advanced libraries in 2025 craft intricate, AI-enhanced graphs tailored for publication and presentation. From heat maps to violin plots, Seaborn enhances comprehension while captivating audiences through design. Scikit-learn is next, a trusted tool for machine learning integrations. Its 2025 advancements focus on modular AI features, allowing faster implementations of predictive models. For both experts and beginners, Scikit-learn remains the ultimate go-to for transforming raw data into actionable insights. These libraries highlight a broader trend: AI-assisted tools bridging technical depth with accessibility. With Python evolving yearly, even those new to data science find their footing fast. As the demand for actionable insights soars, Python ensures no one is left behind. As Python libraries become smarter and highly refined, 2025 marks a pivotal moment in how we approach data. From automated pipelines to predictive intelligence, we're witnessing more seamless innovation than ever. These tools don't just crunch numbers, they transform how we see and shape the world. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or an aspiring creator, these libraries deliver unparalleled opportunities. Explore, innovate, and stay ahead in a world where data empowers every decision. Embrace Python's ecosystem and reshape tomorrow's challenges with the transformative potential of 2025. From Pandas to Scikit-learn, these libraries define the gold standard for data analysis in 2025. Keeping pace with such advancements means unlocking unparalleled efficiency. Take the leap today. Python's evolving toolkit is your gateway to effortless data mastery.